All right, plant science, you made it to the last video. Give yourself a pat on the back. There's a lot to this little lesson here. I understand that. So we're going to finish up by talking about leaves. So there are three key parts to every leaf. We have our stipule, our petiole, and our blade. Our stipule is going to be this leaf-like appendage that's present within the petiole. The petiole is the stalk that connects the stipule to the blade, and the blade is this whole area right up here, the main leafy part of the leaf. And within our blade, we have a lot of different parts. We have our base, which is the very bottom of the plant, or the leaf, excuse me. We have our midrib, which are these kind of the structure of the different veins that are branching out here within the leaf. And then we have our veins, obviously, which are branching out of that midrib and that stalk in the middle. Then we have our margin, which is the overall shape of the outside of the leaf. So sometimes you're going to have like a ribbed or a rigid margin. Sometimes, like in this case, you're going to have a smooth margin. That can tell you a lot about the plant when you're identifying it if you don't have any other distinguishing factors. And lastly, we have the apex, which is the very bottom of the leaf. So if you're looking at it the correct way as you would, this is going to be the tip, the apex of the leaf. Okay? So you have your base on one end, your apex on the other. Okay? So hopefully as a result of this presentation, you can explain the anatomy of a seed, identify and explain the role of the factors of growth and germination in a plant, so light, water, and nutrients. You can explain the photosynthesis equation and the role of photosynthesis within the plant. You can identify below ground parts on a plant. You can distinguish primary and secondary roots. You can identify above ground parts on a plant, compare and contrast determinate and indeterminate growth, and distinguish the blade, petiole, and stipule of a leaf. So there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, your activities are posted on Google Classroom. Thanks for watching.